In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vertical format in OBS Studio. If you create content for mobile-first platforms like Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, switching your canvas to a 9:16 layout will make framing easier and your final video look crisp on phones. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change, plus a few practical tips to lay out your scene cleanly without distorting your sources. Start by opening OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's up, look at the bottom right corner of the interface and click the Settings button. This is where all your core preferences live, including video, audio, and output. We're heading straight for the video configuration so your canvas matches a vertical aspect ratio. In the settings window, click the video tab on the left. You'll see two important fields: base, canvas resolution, and output, scaled resolution. The base resolution defines the size of your working area inside OBS, while the output resolution determines what gets recorded or streamed. For vertical content, click into each field and type 1080 x 1920. This is full HD in a vertical 9:16 orientation. Setting both fields to the same value keeps things sharp, avoids unnecessary scaling, and ensures your preview matches your final output. If you've previously been using 1920 x 1080, you're essentially swapping the numbers to rotate the aspect. Once you apply those changes, your OBS preview will flip into a tall, phone-shaped canvas. That's your vertical stage. Don't worry if your existing scene looks squished or off-center at first. That's normal because your sources were placed for a wide layout. Now resize and reposition your sources to fit the new format. Select a source in the list, then use the red handles to scale it. Drag to place it where you want. If you're working with a camera feed, consider centering your subject's eyes in the top third for a natural look on mobile. For gameplay or screen capture, you may need to crop the sides. Hold Alt while dragging a handle to crop without stretching, and use snapping to align edges cleanly. Stack overlays, chat boxes, and captions vertically so they don't cover important action. When you're happy with placement, lock each source to prevent accidental shifts. If you want extra flexibility, you can also download and install the Atom Vertical plugin. It's designed for vertical workflows and can help manage a dedicated vertical canvas, overlays, and distribution. Follow the plugin installer's prompts and restart OBS if required. That's it. Your OBS is ready for vertical recording or streaming. Happy creating.